Hi friends, welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. This is Atif and you are watching Moon333. Since yesterday I am just suffering from sore throat, but it is quite well now and I'll try my best to make you understand about the charts using my this voice, and I'll try to produce a clear voice for you guys. And the information I'm providing here in this video is for educational purpose only. This is not intended to be investment advice. So please seek a duly licensed professional and do your own research as well for investment advice, guys. Today we have some important developments by the price action of Bitcoin. First of all, I would like to uh, take you to the live chart, and this is a week chart. In my previous video, I just told you that Bitcoin is at the support that is not broken since it has appeared in the history of the Bitcoin, and that was the 200 simple moving average support on this weekly chart. And I just want to show you again, and we can see that since it has appeared in 2015, and at this time, we can see that at this point it was appeared in 8th June 2015, and after that, we can see that the price action never broke down this support. Once the price action has hit at this support of 200 moving average in 2018, in December 2018, and after that we can see that the price action produced more than 300% profit. And now this is the second time in the history of the Bitcoin that the price action is hitting at this support. I don't know how someone commented on my video in the previous video. I definitely give the value to that comment as well, but I was really worried after reading that comment that the price action on weekly chart has been closed below the 200 simple moving average. That was the comment someone posted in my previous video. And after that, I just closely examined the price action, how it has been closed below the 200 simple moving average. Even we can see that it is not closed with this Heikin-Ashi candlestick pattern, even not below the 100 simple moving average. This was the previous candle of the previous week when I posted my last video, and I'm just turning the chart to the simple candlestick pattern, and now we can see that we are below 100 simple moving average at this time. We are not below the 200 simple moving average on weekly chart. Yes, that is fact that this candlestick was closed below this level of this candlestick. But when the price action completely opens and closes below this any support, for example, here we have a support of 200 simple moving average. If the candle would be closed, if it would be opened and closed completely below this support, then we could consider that the price action has broke down this support of 200 simple moving average. But if we can see that the price action was opened somewhere at this point or this point, and it was closed somewhere here, then we can see that we don't have a complete candlestick below this support level. Therefore, this support is not broken. After that, yesterday or a day before yesterday, when this candlestick was opened, I think on 16th March, yes, a day before yesterday, this candlestick was open. Then we can see that the price action was open with the price of $5,353. I'm just placing the cursor mouse here, and you can see the opening price here. All right, then you can see that the opening price is $5,353. It means the price action or the candlestick was opened below this moving average, this support level of 200 simple moving average, because we have the 200 simple moving average as at $5,532. But as now we can see that the price action has moved up or crossed up this simple moving average. If, for example, in this situation, the price action will be closed here, somewhere here below this simple moving average 200, then we cannot consider that the 200 simple moving average support has been broken down. Then we will wait for the next candlestick to completely open and closes below this support level. Then we can consider that the support is completely broken down. Now here we can see that the price action is embracing this support level of 200 simple moving average, because this is the fact that this is the support that is never ever broken down in the history of the Bitcoin. If it will be broken down, then the situation can be more disastrous, because we are just watching that this is the support that is not even broken down since ever in the history of the Bitcoin, since it was appeared. Once it will be broken down, then it will be really difficult for the price action to break out the resistance that was the support that was not broken down in the history of the Bitcoin. Therefore, we can have a long-term bearish trend or long-term sideways trend, and we'll need a very strong buying volume with the continuity to break out this support level again. At this time, the situation is at this time also very critical, because we are at that support level. Half a candle down, half a candle up. That is really critical situation. So we can wait for the next candlestick where the price action goes. I am expecting that the price action will not break down this support level. All right, here I would like to give a tip to you, that is a suggestion. You can say that you can use a very useful indicator, and that is you can find in the public libraries on Tradingview, and that is CM William Vix Fix finds market bottoms. That is very useful to find the market bottoms. Even though it is not possible to find the market bottoms, that is really a very tough and difficult job. Sometimes we can find, sometimes, most of the times, we cannot find the bottoms. But this indicator helps a lot in this regard. We can see that. I'm just turning back to the Heikin-Ashi candlestick pattern. And now we can see that at this time, this William indicator is turned green. It means that it is giving indication that the sell is in acceleration. So we can wait unless this sell indication or green signal will be not disappeared. Once it will be turned gray like it was turned here. Okay, there is one more thing I just forgot, that is the squeeze momentum indicator. I always use the William indicator with the combination of some other indicators. So here you can use the combination of momentum and the William indicator both together. And now we can see that, for example, here we have received the signals of sell acceleration, and the momentum is also turned strong bullish. And here we can see that the momentum is turned weak bearish from strong bearish, and we have already received the signals from the William indicator that we have reached the bottom. After this confirmation, we can be more confirmed that now the price action has reached the bottom, and we can have the bullish divergence at any time, and we have a very strong support of 200 simple moving average. And after that, you can see that after these confirmations, the price action moved up to more than 300% bullish rally. And now here we can have our eyes on these both indicators with this support. If this support is not broken down, and this indicator will give us the bottom indication that we have reached the bottom like it has given us here, and the momentum will turn bullish. For example, it is turning weak bullish from strong bullish, then it can turn again strong bullish, or if it will be in dark red like strong bearish, then it can turn weak bearish like it was turned here. In that situation, we can be confirmed that the price action is going to move up using the support of 200 simple moving average on this weekly chart very soon. So this was the suggestion from me. You can also use your own set of indicators. There are a lot of indicators, more than 13 to 14,000 indicators on the Tradingview and on the different platforms as well. Maybe you'll have a better set of indicators than me, then you can use those set of indications. Okay, now I just want to divert your attentions towards this chart. I've been sharing this chart in my so many previous videos, and we can see that the Bitcoin has formed a downtrend line like it had formed in its previous history from Feb 2018 up to December 2018. And at that time, I've just placed the volume profile on the price action moving above this trend line from here up to this level, and we can see that we had the volume POC or point of control of this volume profile at $6,500, and the trader's interest as per this volume profile of this complete price action was very low, below $6,000. Therefore, the price action moved down to $6,000, and after that, at this level, below this level where the trader's interest was very low, the price action took a very powerful bullish divergence and moved up to 300% or more than 300% from almost $3,100 or $3,200 to almost $14,000. That was at $13,880 as per Bitstamp exchange. And I already told you that POC, if you have caught the right POC, if you have caught the right POC of the volume profile, then it always works like the center of gravity for the price action. For example, here we have examined that whenever the price action moved up, the POC just pulled the price action back towards itself, and it has been moving in the surroundings of this POC level. And here, if I'll place the volume profile again, I'm just placing before you this volume profile fixed range above all the price action moving above this trend line from here up to this fresh candlestick. Then we can see, thank God, so far the POC is at $10,350. That is a very big hope because the POC can pull the price action up towards itself. And you can see that the price action is really embracing this support of the trend line, and this trend line is not broken down. After hitting at this support, the next candlestick is above the support of this downtrend line. But we need the buying volume with the continuity to break out this POC like we had a breakout back in 2018 to 2019 bull run. Therefore, we need a buying volume with the continuity in order to break out from this POC level. Otherwise, if we'll have some few more touches at this level, close to the POC level, then there will be a down channel formed, and in that situation, it will be really very difficult for the price action to break out the resistance of that channel. So at this time, we have a hope that the price action may take the bullish divergence like it has taken the bullish divergence back in 2019 in December, even in Feb 2019 to June 2019. It can take the bullish divergence because at this time we can see that we are moving at the level that is where the trader's interest is very low. The trader's interest is up to $7,200, and we are moving at $6,240 at this time. Therefore, there are strong chances that the price action will move up from here, or there are also chances that the price action will move down from here. But the situation we have at this time, for example, we have the 200 simple moving average support, and the price action is turning bullish at that support, even though the indicators are not turned bullish so far. Then we have a hope, and there is very optimistic situation that we can move up from here, and this bearish trend will be over very soon. There is a hope and expectations, and there are a few more indications we have. First of all, I would like to take you to the chart which I have published 2 or 3 days back, and this is the Bitcoin chart I have just published on 14th of March. And on this chart, we can see that the price action of Bitcoin on this support of 200 simple moving average and on this support of downtrend line has formed a bullish crab pattern. This is the initial leg. The A to B leg was supposed to be retraced between 0.382 to 618 Fibonacci level, and here we can see that it is retraced up to 0.507 Fibonacci. So this is the first confirmation of bullish crab, and after that the price action is projected between 0.382 to 0.886 Fibonacci level. Here we can see that it is retraced or projected up to 386 Fibonacci projection of A to B leg. So this is the second confirmation, and after that we needed the third and the final confirmation of the bullish crab pattern that the price action should be retraced between 1.27 up to 1.618 Fibonacci level. When the price action was very bullish, we were not expecting at that time that it will complete this leg, because at that time we had a very strong hope that the price action will be retraced and move up. But this strong bearish trend has helped the Bitcoin to complete this leg, and you can see that the maximum extent of this leg is up to $3,996. And if we see this price action as per Bitstamp exchange, it is dropped up to $4,000 lowest price. That is the recent lowest price, and now the price action is moving in this potential reversal zone. I am just playing this chart. Now you can see that the next candlestick is moving up, and it is likely to be geared up from this potential reversal zone, and from here the price action is supposed to enter the Fibonacci projection area of A to D leg from 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci level. That is from $6,467 to $9,098. And once the price action will be able to cross up this level of 0.786 Fibonacci projection, then there are strong chances that Bitcoin will again start a really very powerful bullish rally. And this chart I have already shown you in my previous video that on monthly chart, the Bitcoin has formed a really very big bullish Gartley pattern, and at this time we are moving in the potential reversal zone of this bullish Gartley pattern on this monthly chart, like it had formed previously from 2018 to 2019. I have also posted the video on the previous chart as well, but this is the recent chart and the recent formation of the bullish Gartley pattern. And now we can see that after initial leg, the A to B leg is retraced up to between 0.618 to 0.786 Fibonacci level, and B to C leg is retraced or projected between 0.382 to 0.886 Fibonacci projection of A to B leg as required for the second confirmation of the bullish Gartley. And the final leg was supposed to be retraced between 0.618 to 0.786 Fibonacci level, and this strong bearish trend has also helped this pattern to complete the final leg. Even though the price action has hit beyond the support of the potential reversal zone, but it is retraced back in this potential reversal zone, and now at this time the price line is moving in this area. And from here, this potential reversal zone starts from $7,231 and ends up to $5,424, and this is the support where we also have the support of the 200 simple moving average on weekly chart. Therefore, this is a very strong support, and there are strong chances that the price action will move up from here between this area from 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci level, and this sell zone or Fibonacci projection area of A to D leg starts from $8,654 and ends up to $12,070. But once the price action will manage to cross up this level of $12,070, then it will be really easy for the price action to break out the next resistance level as well, and it can start a really very powerful bullish rally even from here. And that would be the more powerful bull move as compared to the bullish move that the price action would have taken from here up to this level. And then the price action will cross up this level, it can turn more strong bullish than the previous move. So this was the update so far by the Bitcoin price action. I'll definitely keep you updated about the Bitcoin, and I'll keep posting the videos and articles on the Bitcoin as well. If you like the video, then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel. Take care. Goodbye.